For fleets operating in demanding environments, safety depends on clear, reliable visibility. Vision360 uses AI-powered video analytics to identify risky driving behaviors in real time, including lane departure, unsafe following distance, and imminent forward collision. Vision360 also uses AI-driven monitoring to detect distractions, fatigue, and other human-related risks, providing valuable insights for each event. Vision360 is available in multiple configurations to meet different fleet needs. The core Vision360 configuration combines vehicle tracking with a dual-facing AI dash camera, capturing both the road and the driver, with optional driver monitoring, and a rear camera to deliver reliable visibility, video evidence, and actionable risk insights for everyday fleet operations. For enhanced coverage, Vision360 Plus can support up to 4 additional video streams, with options including rear view, side blind spot monitoring, and driver monitoring system cameras. In-cab audio and visual alerts provide immediate driver feedback in the moments that matter. Video, event, and location data from all camera views are uploaded to Unity, where safety teams can review incidents, reconstruct events with complete context, and apply consistent safety governance. Video evidence and a centralized video gallery help streamline incident review and claims resolution, while advanced AI-driven risk intelligence helps teams focus on what matters most. With Vision360, fleets gain the clarity and intelligence needed to reduce risk and operate with confidence. Vision360. Clear visibility, smarter decisions, safer operations.